What's up, everybody? And I want specifically to talk to trend traders today. So, if you trade trends, if you like getting in low and then selling high, I'm talking to you right now. So, please, if you just got, if I could just get a minute of your time, I want to let you know about something coming December 1st. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here's our just as our little just page to just let you know what's coming, what this whole thing is. And you can actually find this link right now in the description below. So if you want to check this out yourself as I'm going through it, feel free to do that. And so what it is going to be called Trends. It's actually a series called Trends. That's what we're calling it. And what it is it's going to have uh, a ton of videos, ebooks, courses, just a bunch of just everything about anything you need to know about trends. That is what is going to be in this program for you guys. And it's all going to be released all at once December 1st. So, right now, what we do is we actually discounted this entire course, this entire system for 76% off discount. So what it actually is, it's going to be actually going up to retail on December 1st. As soon as we release it, it goes to retail. But right now, since we're still we're still getting everything put together, we're still kind of getting it all worked out. It's going to be discounted. So let's go ahead and check out what we're actually going to include. So what we're going to do is we're going to kick it off December 1st. Casey's going to describe his rock solid how he mastered his trends. Casey's, if you guys know Casey, he's been trading forex stocks, all these different markets for probably I think like 20 plus years, right? So he's going to kick this thing off, and this alone is going to be worth the value of the entire system. I think this just alone, but we're adding so much other ebooks, courses, content. It's going to be insane. So we're actually going to have 9 ebooks, right? So we're going to have 9 different ebooks all on trend trading. We're going to have all everything from scalping to swing trading. Then we're going to have 13 video courses. So basically these videos are going to be on strategies. They're going to be on how to identify the start, how to identify during the trend, and then after the trend. And then we're going to have a forum. So we're actually going to have a forum um, for you guys, to everybody, to just chat about the course, to chat about what they learned, stuff that they really enjoyed on the course. So it's going to be great. It's going to be a fun time, and I think coming December 1st is going to be one of our best just in-house things that we've put together. So we're really excited about it. So that's why I kind of wanted just to let everybody know, all our people who follow us on social media know, and that's why go ahead and just did this quick little video for you guys. So here's what we're going to include, and then I'm going to be done. This is all I want to let you know. So we're going to include obviously that how I mastered trends. That's actually what Casey's video is going to be on. How he mastered trend, how he trades low, buys low, sells high every single time. Then we're gonna have, and this is the juiciest part of the course. It's going to be step-by-step guides so basically, if you can see right here, how markets will just be flat, just go up, down, up, down, up, down. This book is going to cover our first book is identify the starts of the trend. So it's actually going to cover. It's going to show you some strategies. It's going to show you some steps on how to identify this and when to actually know when to get in. So if this was a buy trade, it'll let you know. It's going to identify when you can start the trade, right? And so that's going to be the first book. And then the second book, we're going to have how to actually trade the trend, right? So this will be the second book here. And so what it's actually going to show you is whenever the trends start, so you're going to get in here, and then it's going to show you what to do as it continues to go up and down, right? And it's because that's essentially all a trend is. This doesn't go straight up; it goes up, down, up, down. So it's going to it's going to show you some strategy. It's going to show you some tips on how to don't freak out, how to trail your stop. There's just so many different strategies and approaches you do to it. It's gonna cover everything you need to know about. So basically, you're gonna be able to use these with any strategy you have. So we're not really saying like this is just one specific strategy. You can use your own strategy. These are just going to be little tweaks, little things to help you as you're in your trade, knowing what to do and when, seeing those price action, what to do and what not to do during the time. And then obviously the third ebook. Um, you can see here, and this is just a trading example, is when the price starts being flat again, when it slows down, it's going to show you when to get out. It's going to show you exactly when to get out. So our first book's going to show you when to get in. The second one's going to show you how to trade that big trend that you're in, and then the third book's going to show you when exactly to get out. So these three is going to be is one of the bigger after Casey's webinar. These are going to be really good. These are going to be really valuable. They're going to come in PDF form, so you're going to be able to download them. You're gonna be able to put them on your computer, wherever you trade, and you're gonna be able to look at those, read them, do whatever you want with them. Print them out. You can print them out, put them in a nice little booklet. Um, Whatever you want to do, that's what you can do. And these are, I'm telling you, these are gonna be so valuable. We actually have our writer who writes all of the strategies on our blog. And if you ever seen our blog, let's go ahead and check out our blog here. All this content is free, by the way. All this right here on our blog, this is all free. You can always come on here and let's just say this one, for example. This is the recent strategy, and these are actually all actionable strategies. This is all great content, and this is just methods and systems and different things like that basically how to trade these a different strategy with different indicators, with different price action, just loads of stuff. And so we have a bunch of strategies like that. So but he's going to be writing all these books for us, so it's going to be great. And plus we have a couple other traders, like TJ and Casey. And we're going to have Richard K from Price Action and Income. He's actually going to give us a couple things in here for you guys, so just for free. But yeah, so yeah, these three books, Go-To Strategy. This is going to be TJ's. I actually just got a message from the day. He's up 100% on a trade. Like he's like, oh yeah, I'm 100% on something. So he's a great trader. Richard K, he's amazing. His pitchforks are incredible. What he does with pitchforks, I would never know. But if you dig into this, it's gonna be real interesting. Learning his strategy. And then so this is gonna be another really interesting part because everybody always asks about indicators. So what is the best trending indicator? What is the best price action indicator? Well, we're gonna show you in a couple videos in the course. And so we're gonna show you what the best trending indicator is and what the best price action income. And this could vary. We're not gonna say exactly it's gonna be one of the better indicators, right? So what are the better price action patterns to look at? And because every market's a little bit different time frames, everything like that. But it's gonna be really good, really great content. And then pullbacks are your friends. And so you really need to learn about what a pullback really is, right? So if a trend is going up like this, and then you think that if you see a pullback right here, you think it's going to come all the way back down, but in reality, you're just getting started, and you missed this whole section of your trade just because it started to pull back. It went against you, right? So you only got 10% of your actual trade that you could have really crushed. And so that's going to show you not to freak out when you see a pullback, right? So because obviously a trend needs to breathe, it needs to go up and down, and so that video is that's really going to be valuable. What else we got here? Oh, the community forum. We're going to be putting that together. Everybody's just going to be able to talk to each other, chat, message us, message Casey and TJ, everybody. Everybody will be chiming in, our support guys. So that's going to be really great. And then the last thing is these are just a bunch of books that we wrote, a bunch of ebooks, trend trading strategies, trend following strategies, so trends versus support and resistance. That's very valuable. Trend analysis. This is a very interesting book. I read that, and that's a really nice ebook. The MACD, everybody loves MACD. It's could be the best indicator, but we'll see in that training. But MACD is a very good indicator to look at for trends, and then we have the EMA, which is the exponential moving average strategy. And we're just getting started here. By the way, this is just the start of it, right? So we're going to be adding new things to this series, and it's just going to keep getting more valuable. And right now, you're maybe wondering, wow, this is great, right? You're saying like, oh, okay, $100 for this, $100 for that, like really you're not going to spend, you're not going to charge us $4,000 for. Well, we technically for something this valuable, um, there will be people out there that would actually pay that, right? But no, we're actually gonna discount it at 497, right? But since it's early access and it's not out yet, right? So it's early access. We're actually going to release it on December 1st, maybe earlier, but I don't think so. I think we're actually going to stick to December 1st because we're still getting this all together. So instead of charging 497, we're going to knock $400 off, right? So we're going to knock $400 off this price right now. And so you're not going to pay 497. That's a no-go. We're not going to pay. We're not going to charge you that. So what we're actually going to charge is, since we're knocking off $400, obviously leaves what, $97. So $97 for all these trainings, courses. I mean, it's insane how much there's actually nine. There's going to be 13 videos, 9 ebooks, and that's right now, right? So we're actually going to probably be adding more to it. Probably by the end of 2021, we're going to have 15 or 20 ebooks and 30 videos, right? So, but it's only one-time charge. That's it. Unlimited upgrades, unlimited updates, and you get all this great content, $97 today. So instead of we're actually knocking $497, so today it is $97. And I'm telling you, this stuff is valuable for any trader. So it's going to be great for any trader out there. So it's going to be for Forex, it's going to be for stocks, and it's going to be for options. All this great content. We got our different traders trade all these different markets, and you're going to be learning about that in the system. So if this sounds interesting to you, go ahead right now, click on the link below, click on in the description. Go ahead and check it out. If you review it again, you got a few days to invest, but I'm telling you, on December 1st, the price is going to go back up to that 497 price. So you have to, if you want the discount, if you want the early access, to get early access to all this content, you're going to have to get it today. So that's the only thing that I'll tell you there. But if you don't get it, it's fine. It's all good. But I think our traders that do get it, and our members that do get it, are just in that first video with Casey alone. Because Casey will drop $1,000 a day. He's trading $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a day. That's obviously not every day, but he's a great trader and he has so much knowledge. And I'm telling you that just that first kickoff video will be worth for you. And then you're gonna get all this great content. You get those 3 ebooks. You're gonna be able to print those out. You're gonna be able to get all those in a nice folder, and I think it's going to be well worth just the one-time price of 97. But that's just me. I might be a little bit biased, but I think you guys are really going to like this. So if you have any questions for this, go ahead and leave us a comment below. If anybody said, why are you charging something like that, you don't have to invest, right? So that's the thing that I always tell somebody is, if they're saying, well, why sell this? Do I put it? This took a lot of time to put together. There's a lot of parties involved, and there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. And so, if this is something that you don't want, it's fine. But I'm telling you, if you're a trend trader, if you trade these markets, and you think this will be good for you, go ahead and check it out. Click on the link below, check it out, see if it's for you, and yeah, and just let us know. So if you, again, one more time, any questions, comments, put it below, or send us an email at info@tradingstrategyguys.com. We got 3 great support agents that are always ready and willing to answer your questions. And so go ahead and message us. We just want to be 100% transparent at all times. So that's it for me. And hopefully by now I convinced you. But if I didn't, maybe this is if you have a great trend strategy, then by all means, that's awesome for you. That's great. I'm happy for you. But I'm telling you, even if you do trade and you have a decent strategy right now, these tweaks, these ebooks that we have, these ebooks right here, that we're going to that we put together. This just a couple tweaks is all you need. I mean, it's just going to be a game changer. You could probably save yourself $500,000 just in 1 week, um, just by reading these 3 books here. So that's it for me. But if again, any more questions, any other questions, hit us up at info@tradingstrategyguys.com or leave a comment below. All right, guys, thanks.